times that the government, the transitional government, was controlling only 4 districts out of the 17 districts of Mogadishu. So from there, we pushed Al-Shabaab now to the remote villages. But still, they are not eliminated because the war against Al-Shabaab or against extremism is not military only. So far, we have been doing the military war. They don't have their own territory, but they just melt down the society. They are there watching, and they attack any vulnerable place and any vulnerable person.
Transparency International has ranked Somalia at the bottom of its corruption perception index, along with North Korea. That's a pretty damning verdict.
It is damning, and it's tainting the image of Somalia, of course. But I'm not saying that we are. First of all, Transparency International, when they work, their index is called the Corruption Perception Index. It is a perception, and in a country like Somalia, the perception that was built for over 2 decades is what we are having right now. It's not based on the realities on the ground now. Yes, still we are lacking full-fledged institutions that balances each other and counter-checks each other. So we will have this type of misuse of resources.
We now have confirmation that elections will be held in Somalia by the end of the year. But Somaliland has declared its own independence, and Puntland has rejected the 4.5 formula outright. Do you have an agreement with the different regions of Somalia on how to conduct this election?
We have agreed that we cannot make it in the universal suffrage of one person, one vote. Then we have 6 months consultative process that was going throughout Somalia, and we developed a model to use this term only, and then put in place a very clear roadmap for the next term, how we are going out of the clan system that we were using in the past. One person, one vote, electoral stations, polling stations all over the country. That's what we planning, inshallah.